Welcome to Autofaze. I'm T. Bren.
And I'm Tim.
So today I decided to meet with Tim for two reasons. I've never seen a CETA in person, and he has custom Weld wheels, and I want to check out his rear offset. So Tim, tell us a little bit about the car.
It's a 2002 Collector's Edition Trans Am. Got a lot of mods to it. Big cam, bolt-ons, suspension stuff, a little bit of appearance stuff. Just make it look cool.
So the thing that's really unique about Tim's CETA is that he doesn't have the OEM stickers on the side. So and the previous owner took those off, so it gives it a really unique look, because if you guys don't know much about CETAs, they're all yellow, and GM didn't offer this color besides 2002. So what was your interest in getting a CETA versus getting like a Formula or WS6 or Firehawk or something like that?
Yeah, I've always just liked WS6s, and I wanted something a little different. I looked at Firehawks. I wanted to get a Sunset Orange for a while.
Oh yeah,
those are really
those
hard
are
to find.
Super rare too.
Yeah, and everybody wants a lot of money for them.
Yeah.
But then I just saw this one for in the ad, and it just looked like something that I needed to have.
Right on. So if you guys have seen our white WS6, you know how long it took us to find it, and so the Sunset Orange is even more rare. So without talking about the collector's edition, as far as the Pontiacs and the Trans Ams are concerned, sorry about that bug. Sunset Orange and white is the second most rare, of course, and then from there, just kind of, it's kind of a snowball effect. You got the Firehawks, you got the CETAs, and wasn't there a special option in like 2000 that they did like that white and blue Trans Am or Firebird?
Yeah, that was another anniversary edition.
Okay.
I think it was a 99.
Right,
it was 30th.
30th, that's right,
Yeah,
that's right,
30th
that's
TA.
right. Yeah, and so if you aren't familiar with those came with those like bright blue 5 stars, which I mean, if you haven't seen one in person, definitely look it up. I mean, they're just as special as a CETA, except that they're not as rare because it wasn't the last year of production. So what made you decide to go with Welds versus any other wheel? I mean, Welds obviously for the F-body guys are starting to become extremely popular. I've never seen this wheel combo on an F-body before, so kind of why did you decide to go with this design versus kind of what everyone else is doing?
Well, these cars have been out for a long time, obviously, and everybody's just done about every wheel combination out there.
Yeah, totally.
You know, Corvette repos and stuff like that. So I just knew I wanted to get something special, and Weld is just on top of the wheel right now. Everything is awesome. And Kansas City company too, so that's kind of cool.
Touche. So why the custom offset? Why not just go with what Weld recommends?
Yeah, I looked at a lot of photos, and it just kind of looked like, you know, an aftermarket wheel with stock offsets. It didn't really, you know, give like the stance or the look. And
it's not very aggressive either. Like especially like you'll see later on whenever we do some B-roll of his car, the stance that it has with the wheel offset, it's super aggressive. It's not anything that you're gonna see, you know, at a cruise-in or a car show. It's very, very special, which is one of the reasons why, you know, we wanted to meet up, because we're thinking about doing a similar offset on the rear of ours. So Tim, thanks for coming out. Let's go ahead and check out the car.
All right.
And it's gonna be awesome. You guys gotta hear the cam that's in this thing. It sounds wicked. This rear offset is absolutely perfect. This is exactly how GM should have made these wheels from the factory. I mean, with the BMR springs that he has on here, he is literally like 3/4, maybe an inch to 3/4 of an inch to absolutely tucking tire, and the fitment is so spot on. Like, it is exactly flush with the fender. Like, I think everyone, I mean, I don't want everyone to do it because we don't want everyone to look like us, but everyone should look into custom offsets because this is, for Fortune F body, this wheel sub is amazing. Today is probably the last fall day here for us in the Midwest with the snow next week. So thanks everyone for watching. I'm T Brand. See you later.